online preparation courses which are being offered at Beckons. If you want to book a trial class for online preparation of IELTS, GRE, GMAT, SAT, PTE or OET, I want you to send a message on this particular number, which is 0336 709 7097. Now, when people would be going for the online preparation course, the first question they would be having is that why should we choose Beckons? First of all, I would like to tell you guys that yes, the learning experience in the online classes is not very much similar to the kind of experience you would be having in the physical classes. उर्दू में आपको बता देता हूँ कि अगर आपकी फ़िज़िकल क्लासेस में 80-90% चीज़ें लर्न कर सक रहे हैं तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में वो हाफ हो जाती हैं. Why? Because people do not have that environment. People do not feel that they are connected to the people, but still there are people who would be going for the online classes for many reasons. The first one is that there are lockdowns which are happening in the world or even in Pakistan. The second thing is, for some people it is very convenient. They can just from another city they can get the services of someone who is very much qualified. And the third reason is that sometimes the timings do not match. Now I'll just be talking about why people could be or would be joining Beckons, or why should they consider Beckons as their preparation provider. The first thing or the first reason is a very basic one, and that is we are providing a trial class for the online session. अगर आप जो नंबर आपको दिया हुआ है उसके ऊपर आप मैसेज करते हैं तो आपका डिस्कशन होगी टीचर के साथ, जिसके बाद आपको वो एक ट्रायल क्लास देंगे. यू कैन डिसाइड वेदर दैट क्लास इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑफ एनी बेनिफिट टू यू और नॉट. द सेकेंड रीज़न इज़ दैट Beckons इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल. अगर कोई, मैं आपको आइल्स की एग्जांपल देता हूँ, फिर GRE की भी दूंगा. अगर दूसरे इंस्टीट्यूट्स 15,000 ले रहे होंगे तो Beckons जो है वो 8,000 में आपको करवा रहा होगा. सिर्फ ऑनलाइन नहीं, फिजिकल में भी ऐसे होता है, बस हाफ होती है फ़ी. इट इज़ अ पॉलिसी which we have been providing to the people, or this is a facility which we have been providing to the people. The third benefit of joining for these classes is that we would be providing you all those pre-recorded lectures. जो भी pre-recorded lectures हैं, IELTS के हैं, GRE के हैं, स्पोकन इंग्लिश के हैं, एक तो आपकी लाइव क्लास टीचर के साथ होगी. मोर ओवर यू वुड ऑल्सो बी गेटिंग दोज pre-recorded lectures from which you would also be learning. So in a way you would be learning from two different teachers. One would be a pre-recorded lecture of all those lectures which I have made, and the other one would be like the methodology would be the same, everything would be the same, but the thing is that you'll actually get to learn more. The fourth reason people should be or would be more inclined towards joining Beckons would be that at Beckons we have very flexible timings. The classes start from 8 a.m. and they last till 1 a.m. at night. So सुबह 8 से 1 बजे तक वो हमारे सेशंस चल रहे होते हैं. There are 4 teachers who are providing those. And the last one would be that you would be having individual attention. आपके स्पीकिंग के एग्जाम्स हैं, आपके GRE का, PTE का, OET का, the class size is never going to be more than 6 to 8 students in case you go for the group session. And in case you're having a problem, the teacher would also give you extra time so that the teacher could cater to your specific needs. Okay, so we would be waiting for your message or call at the number which is 0336 709 7097. Thank you.